Hi everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to be your instructor for college algebra this term. I'm really excited to get to work with you and help you be successful in college algebra. I want to take a few minutes to make a video to help you orient yourself to this course a little bit and kind of how it's set up and some of the areas that I'd like you to focus on. So let's get started with the home screen. The home screen will have recent announcements. I use a lot of announcements in this course. Eventually, you'll see an announcements link right here on your page. Right now it's disabled, but I'll make it so it's visible here before too long, so that'll be there. The next thing is, here's a little bit about me. Here's my phone number for you to call me and my email address. If you email me, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you need to visit with me, I will set up a time. We can either visit on the phone or do a Google Meet or something like that. The next place I want you to go is, I'd like you to go right here. It says click here to get started. You click there, it'll take you out to the module. So this is where all of your work happens. So the first place you're going to go is you want to click start here. And that'll walk you through some links. So the bookstore, make sure you have your book. Like I said, I've sent you out access codes. You should have those. Make sure you take a look at the syllabus, read through that. Here's a course outline so you can kind of see the dates. That'd be good to print off. Here's your syllabus. Make sure you read this. Pretty standard stuff. I want to point out one thing to you though, is right down here, the evaluation. We do have a midterm and a final that will have to be taken on site, so be aware of that. So let's go down here. We'll click on this. We'll go back. Academic dishonesty. Make sure you take a look at that. The course calendar, which I just showed you that. If you want to know something about me, click on Meet Your Instructor. You need to read the announcements. Like I said, I'll post a lot of announcements for this course. And then you'll need to go to modules, and that's kind of where the course happens. So if we'll go there, let's go to the next page. And this talks about Allen Email and Microsoft Office. You should download Microsoft Office if you haven't already. You get it as part of being an Allen student. Check your email a lot. Hopefully you get your announcements set up so they'll come to your email. That'd be the best thing for you to do. And I believe you can do that through your account, and you can turn on your notifications. There's some tutorial videos in here on how to access, how to navigate Canvas. That'd be good to watch. Academic support talks about how to get some help if you need it. And then this is about how to access MyLab Math. And I sent you an access code and some information about how to access your course. Hopefully you're taking care of that so you can get started. Here's our class guide. You click on that, it'll bring up another document. Kind of explains some things. It explains the home page and the syllabus and the modules. The discussion boards, we'll do one. We'll do an intro board, and that's in your get started page. You got your grades, and you got your tutor. Here's more information about your final and stuff, and here's me and my email address. Next thing is your e-text. My e-text is not working right now, so hopefully when you get your access code, your e-text is going to work, so make sure you take care of that. So going back to the modules, you need to make sure that you come down here and you get started. So here is your first module. Here's the e-text link that I just clicked on. It isn't going to work, but yours should work if you have your access code, follow directions. Your first assignment is the discussion board. Make sure you do that. You get down here to your video. So every section will have some videos. So what I recommend you do is you watch the videos and then you work through the review homework. And again, if I click on it, it isn't going to work because my access has not been restored yet. So if you go through this, it should shoot you right out to My Math Lab. And then here's your review homework. And they're all about the same. Notice how we have a quiz right here. One thing I do expect you to do for your quizzes is I expect you to show your work for your quiz. And I expect you to take a picture of that work and email it to me. Send it to my Allen email, and I'll score it. And that's important because I like to look at your work to know that you're on track and to know that for me to understand that you know what you're doing. And also I use to give partial credit. I will give you partial credit on quizzes provided you show your work. And then I also give you feedback if you make mistakes. So it's important for you to show your work, take pictures of it, and email it to me. Notice how we go through here, and notice that we have our first test due September 13th. So I want to make note of that in your calendar. And then we just continue with Module 1 all the way down through the page. Discussions will be here. There's discussion right here. If you click on it, you'll see your discussion. If you click on grades, you'll see your grades. Here's the announcement button that isn't quite showing up yet. So again, I'm really excited to get to work with you. If you have questions, please reach out to me and we'll work through them. So thanks a lot, everybody. Hope to see you soon.